Hey, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Here is another video. This video is all about how to grow a small options account faster. This option strategy, which I'm going to discuss in this video, can earn $500 per week using a $1,000 account. So you can see here the risk reward, it's tremendous. And we'll also look into the way to how this strategy works. Then we'll look at the real example of how to execute this in a real trading account. And then I will also look at some of the rail guards to make sure that this remains profitable. So overall, this is a great strategy for anyone who is starting new into options, or anyone who wants to grow their smaller account faster, as small as $1,000 account, and then still earn about $500 every week by repeating the strategy. So let's dive in. So let's quickly understand first what we're trying to do. We're trying to do a strategy called Iron Condor. Now let's understand how it works. So Iron Condor has got, the construct is, it has got four legs. It has got two put options, a sell put and a buy put. That's basically those two options that you execute. And then you've got two call options. Again, you sell a call and you buy a call. So to understand a little better, let's look at this diagram in detail. So the way it works is you essentially enter the first contract, which is sell put, at a particular price for a given ETF or a stock. You sell a put, and then you buy that same put um, at a different strike price. So you sell put and then you buy put. So you basically neutralize this trade here. Then you you basically execute another two option contracts. One is the sell call, which is what you sell over here, and then you buy that call again further down. So again, you are selling a call and you are buying a call back. So since you are selling and buying a call, it again is a neutral trade here. So net net, you are selling a put, then you are buying a put, you are selling a call and buying a call. So it's a neutral strategy as such. Now let's look at the profit and loss. The way it works is from your sell put price to a sell call price. This is your zone, which is a profit zone. So as long as the price of the stock or the underlying ETF or whichever is a commodity that you're trading, as long as it is in the range of your sell put and sell call, that's your profit zone. And then as soon as the stock price or a ETF price goes beyond the sell put or beyond the sell call strike price, you start entering into losses. I know it sounds theoretical right now, but we'll jump into an actual example after this and essentially understand what this profit zone is, what this buy zone is, how do you protect your profits, how do you manage the risk and execute this strategy effectively. It's a great strategy to grow your small account faster. So let's then dive into a real example. This is the Robinhood account. Um, Select SPY, ticker symbol for S&P 500 ETF. This is a ETF which is traded every day on the exchange, on the stock market. So select SPY. This is the SPY graph. As you can see, trading at 520. Today it has seen some wild movements, but overall, if you see YTD, it's growing up, trending up. Right? If you look at last 1 year graph, it is still trending up, right? So, and this is the most stable. SPY represents US's top 500 companies, and this ETF is a solid ETF to trade. So let's jump into this trade and see what it shows us. So type SPY, get into the chart. Now what you're going to be doing is click on trade SPY options. Now what we're going to be doing is a strategy called Iron Condor. In Iron Condor, what you do is you select, um, you basically sell a call and then buy a call, and then you sell a put and buy a put. So it's a neutral transaction at the end of the day, and we'll see what neutral means, right? But just remember, Iron Condor has four legs, um, two on the call side, two on the put side, right? You buy a call and then you sell a call, and same on the put side, you buy a put and sell a put, right? These are the four legs of the Iron Condor. So let's execute. So we are trading at 522 as of now. So let's select sell here and put. Since we are selling a put, we'll go below the current market price. Our strike price should be below. Now, how far below will you go? That's the question, right? So anywhere between 0.15 and 0.25 delta, you see here delta is a safe range to trade in. So when we sell put, we will select somewhere around zero point 0.2 delta, right? And before we do that, let's also choose a range, date range. So we want to go 1 week out. So let's select 7th of June as the expiration date. And for next 7 days, now let's see what delta is showing us. 0.24 delta. This is a safe range. So let's select sell put at a 0.25 delta. Since we sold a put, let's buy it a couple of notches down. So let's buy the put at around 513. Okay, so these are the two legs of the condor. Now let's build the other two legs. How do you do that? You go here and select sell call. So put side is done. Now we're on call side. Sell call. Similar thing. Let's select something safer around 0.24 delta. Right. Let's so ensure that you are on sell call. Right. Select this, and then since we sold a call, we need to buy it back. How do you buy it back? You click on the buy call. Make sure that these two are highlighted. Buying call. Let's go a couple of notches up and select buy a call. Now see on the right hand side, your short Iron Condor is ready. So what it means, let's understand. These are the four legs of the Iron Condor. You're selling a put, then you're buying a put, you're selling a call and buying a call, right? It's a neutral. So you're not liable to buy or sell any stocks at the end of the transaction. You're liable to get credit of 1.17, which means 116 right now, $116 you're going to get to execute this Iron Condor. It's a credit, right? So you're going to get $116. Now let's also understand the risk. So as you can see here, the green line represents profit, the red line is loss. This is the current price, SPY price right now, 522. As long as SPY remains between 515 and 529 by this expiration date, which is June 7th, which is next Friday, in 1 week, if SPY is between 515 and 529, we're going to keep all our $117 or $118 with us. What's the max loss? 182. So look at the risk reward, guys. This is crazy, right? You're going to lose $182 if SPY price goes below 515 or above 529, right? We have selected safe delta, so it's unlikely to go there. So look at the risk reward. On a risk of $183, you're going to get $116, right? It's a fantastic risk and reward to grow the small accounts very quickly. Now, how do you scale it up, right? If you're a beginner, just start with one contract. Don't go too much. All you're going to go do is, all you're going to lose is $184 if the trade doesn't go your way. But look at this. If the trade goes your way, which is this green portion here, you're going to get $116 by June 7th, right? Now, once you try one contract, I would suggest start with just one contract if you're starting new. If you have some experience with condors and if you know how it works, you have been doing it for some time, I would suggest, you can also go a little bit higher. So for example, if you select here 5 contracts, now just look at this. You're going to get $590 in your account, and at the risk of $910. So if you have $1,000 account, all you need is $905 from your $1,000 account, and once it's executed, you're going to get $590. So imagine on a less than $1,000, you're earning $590 in 1 week time. So this is a great way of earning weekly income more than $500 just trading SPY, right? You have to keep looking for these opportunities, and once they come, just grab it. Don't go too much aggressive here. Start with one contract. As I said earlier, you can always go here and change it to just one contract so that your risk is limited. So is your reward. So if you put one contract, you're going to get $117 in your account, but at the risk of 185. So this is the max amount you're going to lose, right? But you're going to get 116. If you are experienced, then make it like 5 contracts, and then you're going to get $500, $585 at the risk of $920, right? So you just review the order and execute the order. Once you clear submit button here, this is executed, and then boom, you got $589 in your account, right? At the cost of $1,000. So this is a very quick way of exponentially increasing your account playing the SPY Iron Condors.